Hello once again. My name is Meshak Abedu Kwansa. I'm a data analyst. I work in the procurement department. So I work on cost analysis, cost savings. Yes. I welcome everyone back here today. For I say thank you for being here, and thank you for viewing and watching my channel. God bless you all. So in today's channel, we are going to be looking at how to import data into Power BI. This is one of the most essential things. Like I said in our data analytics intro, I did mention that one of the things when it comes to data analytics is the ability for you to pull data into whatever platform that you'll be working with. And so, yes, in today's video, we are going to learn how to pull data into Power BI. And so this is our Power BI interface. I'll probably leave the link to Power BI download website for anyone who still doesn't have Power BI on their laptops. Okay, so once you open it, you open your Power BI, you are set up, you downloaded, you are set up, you are going to find this as an interface. So blank report, one lake, whatever, you're finding all this here. And so go to blank report, and this goes to the interface. This is where our work is going to be done. So choose blank, open, and then we come here. Now this is just the interface. We need to have our data set. How can we get the data set? We can either import data from Excel right over here, from SQL, or any one of these, or we can get data from another source. These are available to us. We can use any one of these ways to get our data set. But first, you need to understand and know how you saved your data. Is your data in SQL form? Is your data in Excel form? Is it in CSV? Now there's a difference between CSV and Excel, and a lot of people normally get that wrong. So you need to check your data. All right. So let's say that I'm looking to get this data set. Let's say I'm looking to get this data set. This data set. So I can just come here and check the properties. Where is it? Check properties. All right, so this tells me that this my file is in CSV, and so if I'm pulling, I need to look at the CSV file. Okay, and so come right here, and I don't have CSV here, but another option to use is to come right here, get data. All right, get data right here. So you click on the arrow, and it's going to give you this options: Excel workbook, all and all. Or you see text CSV file over here. So we click on the text CSV file, and it's going to show this. And now we are going to pull our data. So this data is in CSV. So we are going to click on this. We are going to open it, and it's going to load. So you need to give it time for it to load. Yeah. So the data set is going to load, and then this is going to be the pop-up. All right, so you are going to save this. So this is our data set. All right, so once you get the data set, this is more or less like Excel Power Query, of a sort. So this is a data set. So when we get this, we can either just load the data set, but it's advisable that you transform the data set so that you do every corrections that need to be done, and you make sure the data is accurate before you load it. And so click on transform data set, and it's going to load and give us this option, the Power Query option. All right, to transform our data set from. So yes, this is simply how we pull data into Power BI. This is just a short video on how to pull data into Power BI. In our next session, we are going to look at how to check the rules to make sure everything is right or everything is wrong. All right, thank you very much for being here. I appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session. Ciao.